Estes Electrical Services. We're here when it's time to power up at home. Our Marietta, Georgia customer needed an EV charger installed in the garage, but the home's electrical panel was located in the basement along a long, accessible path. After calling multiple companies, they chose Estes Services due to its professionalism during the estimate process and a fair cost for the installation. Our electricians started by straightening the cables, routing and securing the path, and rewiring in the basement to prepare for the Tesla charger installation. We made precise, code-compliant terminations for a safe and lasting connection. A dedicated circuit was installed in the electrical panel, meeting all requirements for a Tesla EV charger. With wiring complete, we configured the charger, tested the system, and confirmed successful operation. From the basement panel to the garage charge in one visit, it's that easy. It's Estes.